I think for Hawksmoor, when we started the process of looking at our carbon footprint, it was fascinating but overwhelming. And I think when we talk about hotspots, what we really wanted to know was where's our starting point. So what we did is we looked at gathering data initially, and then we looked at engaging people. We wanted to achieve carbon neutral, but also net zero by 2030. Some of the bigger projects are using green energy across the entire estate. All of our restaurants are powered using renewable power. We have had a huge energy project across the estate as well. So every site has LEDs. We use charcoal that's approved by DEFRA, which was a big change. We also, all our food waste is sent to anaerobic digestion. We use cycle to work schemes for our teams, and we have maintenance days for those that want to choose to cycle to work. I think the teamwork element has has worked the best for us. Really having an open and honest dialogue between the senior leadership who are driving it from the top, who report to the board quarterly on our footprint and our emissions, as well as having those green team representatives in the restaurants that are driving the kind of agenda on site. You know, we put all of our managers through carbon and literacy training, and we also offer those resources out to those supply chain networks as well, so that they can understand it too. And I think through that openness that we have with all of the people, all the stakeholders, everyone that's involved along the way, who's, you know, for us in hospitality, it is a sector that is so largely scope 3 rather than scope 1 and 2. And so that is where it's really important to affect the most change. And I think we achieve that through our suppliers. I think there's a lot happening in hospitality at the moment. And what I would recommend to other hospitality and SMEs that want to achieve similar things is firstly really understanding your data, gathering that, but also focusing on actions and outcomes that have like carbon reduction but cost benefit.